What's up, guys? So today we're gonna rebuild this box because this shit trash. It's all good, you know. We got some pieces here to make this shit better. So this piece here goes like this. So this little thing here goes in here. We're not gonna use this because we got a new one right here, a metal one. This thing is so sloppy that it just literally like falls out eventually. So boom, screw that, we don't want that. This shit's whack, doo-doo. But yeah, to get this out, this is gonna be in like this. See, fell? We don't even want that. But yeah, it goes in there, and that little there, right there, boom, goes in there. And then this that spring, I got the new spring here. The new spring will go down and like this, like that, boom. Then, you know what I'm saying, that's that. So to get this to work, see the new one's all pretty in there with a nice bushing in there. And then how you do this is, I take this, let me show you guys real quick. So this is how we do it. So first things first, you take this, right? Boom. Take the new spring, put it here, and then this side of the spring goes on this side there, like this. Alright? And then this side, you gotta pull this shit back there, like that. But then you got this. So you hold it, and you take this, hold the spring in there, put this there, just slide it through, and you put it down, all the way down, and then it's just like that. Alright. Once you get it all the way down, just move it back, that you would see that hole right there, that hole right in there, line up. When that lines up, you take this thing right here, take this pin, the pin that came out of it, right? Stuff it down in there. And how I got it to work, I just took this. Well, this is what I took to get it out. You beat that shit back flat. Boom, flat. Now you got one in the back there, like so. And you got the other spring on the front, like that. Then once you do that, good to go. Now before, this thing was sloppy as hell. Like, the left and right was so sloppy. It was like, it would go like there and there with this piece. But now, we got this metal one in here now. Now it's, you know what I'm saying? Shit functioning. That, I like it. I'm gonna do a lot more of these videos, of these little install videos. So, you know, check out the piece. Boom, the piece.